don't know how to swim. I'm actually afraid of deep water, but we were already in the Maldives and we couldn't let this opportunity slip. Before coming to the Maldives, we bought 2 snorkel sets in Norway, a cheap one for Dawn and a slightly better one for me. Dawn tried this mask first at Malahini Kuda Bandos, but the water was wavy, sand everywhere, and water kept entering the mask. Watching that didn't actually boost to my confidence. So instead of the ocean, I practiced in our private pool. The hardest part wasn't the mask, it was learning to breathe only through the mouth. At first it felt strange, but slowly it started to work.
What we doing now? We never did it in my life. And you know, coming.
Yeah, when I got up, it went.
But you can maybe
At the start, yeah.
tighten up a little bit more.
Practice like this.
Imagine me coming tomorrow and 2 bodies floating in a bassin. Okay, you did snorkeling?
Done.
Check. Let's go eat now.
When we arrived in Huraa, we booked a snorkeling trip to see the turtles. To be honest, I wasn't even sure if we could do it. There was no one else on the tour that day, just the 2 of us. And at first I thought the trip might be cancelled because of bad weather.
How are you? I'm Abdul.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. You from?
Norway.
I came from Norway.
Norway. Okay, this is boat. Okay, this is boat. Not very big sun. Okay, sea is calm. Water is clean. We take a look turtle. Okay.
How long it takes?
Like a 1 hour.
1 hour. Perfect.
Like a by boat, like a 10 minutes. We go the location. In the water, 45 minutes.
Okay.
50 minutes. Whatever you like or you play. No, if you want more time, I can give more time.
But I think it's enough. But
Yeah.
Slippers. We might lose them.
they got more. Okay.
It's just us. Ready to go. Yeah, done. This is mine, I guess. Ah, no, this is mine.
You have baby ones.
Small one.
Okay.
Jumping into the ocean felt terrifying. So the guide threw a rope with a floating device, and I held onto it. That small rope gave me enough confidence to try. Once I started filming, something strange happened. I forgot that I couldn't swim. The vest kept us floating, and the guide swam ahead while I held onto the rope. And suddenly, it was actually fun. Then I handed the GoPro to Don so he could film me. What I didn't realize was that he was struggling with water inside his mask. And just like that, the GoPro fell straight into the deep. The 3 of us started swimming in circles, looking for it. And strangely enough, that's when my fear disappeared. We were so focused on finding the camera that breathing through the snorkel suddenly became automatic. we were already ready to give up the camera. Neither of us could dive that deep, but somehow the guide found it. We were so relieved. We took a short break on the boat, then went back into the water. But the weather wasn't perfect that day, and honestly, I wasn't ready for deeper water yet. Light blue meant shallow, dark blue meant deep, and the deep blue still scared me. So the turtles will have to wait for another trip. Even without seeing the turtles, this became one of the highlights of our Maldives trip, because sometimes the biggest adventure is simply trying something you were afraid to do. Next in our Maldives journey, we visit one of the most famous resorts in the country, Kurumba, Maldives. See you in the next vlog.